Welcome everyone. Today we've got Man-at-Arms. As you can see, he doesn't have the girthy mustache that he had in the cartoon. This was one of the originals I bought, when they first came out. Whenever I first started seeing the cartoon and the thing, I already replaced his hip, the rubber band thing in there. I've noticed while I was doing that, I don't know if I did it while I was doing that or if it was already done, but there's a little bit of flexing there on his hip joint. So I don't know when that happened. It could have been already there, but I just noticed it while I was doing that. His armor is surprisingly in good shape. It's I had to get a toothpick in there and push it through to make sure it stayed secure, but it was it's all in one piece. I was surprised I had his mace. His power punch action is still working. It's a little slow, but he can still do it. Let's say he was, we didn't know really, whenever it first came out, we didn't know what to think about all these, but it's, I think the more I saw it, the more cooler the design was. I would sort of, especially once the cartoon started going and Duncan came out. But otherwise, like I say, he was a cool little fun guy. Not much to say about him. Let's say I'm pleased I still got his. I'll get a good close up on his mace there. And all the detail on his armor in here, hopefully. Nothing really on the back. Got the stuff on his helmet here. Pretty standard Master of the Universe, furry loincloth, big belt, all the 18-20 pack abs. But that's about all I can say about him. Hope you're liking what I'm doing. Hope you're enjoying the Master of the Universe week. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because we're going to keep going for a while yet. Have a good one.